Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2012 government past question. Question number 30 says members of the Senate in Nigeria First Republic were dash. Members of the Senate in Nigeria's First Republic were dash. A. Elected directly by the people. B. Elected by electoral college. C. Nominated by regional and federal government. D. Nominated by the president of the house. So in the Nigeria First Republic, the members that is members in the parliament were elected by electoral college. So option B is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.